The Asus Zenfone 6 has just been announced and Asus might have a very interesting offering here. A flip camera, 5000 mAh battery, flagship internals. What else do they have in store? Well, let's find out in today's video. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech, and if you do end up liking what you see here in this video, please do consider turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So first things first, Asus have gone for an all-glass build here. Gorilla Glass to the front and back, 3D glass to the back. The Zenfone 6 looks like it means business. The major attraction here has gotta be that flipped camera. It has a 48 megapixel primary sensor, the Sony IMX586 of course, that's paired with a f1.79 lens. No OIS here. The secondary, it's a 13 megapixel wide angle. What's great here is that the camera doesn't just pop up, it actually flips around. So we get to use it for selfies, and not just that. Given its motorized nature, there are quite a few functions Asus have kind of baked in. For example, you can use it for smooth pans while shooting video, or tap a subject and have the camera follow said subject. How cool is that? And it's not just with video. Even with stills, you can have this camera to get auto panoramas or just shoot from different perspectives, different angles. It's pretty sweet. And this is not just with the stock app. You can control this motorized camera even when you're in Instagram or any third-party app. And that's a nice little nifty addition. Talking about additions, Asus have added support for 4K 60 FPS with EIS and 480 FPS super slow motion. There's also a dedicated night mode enabled now. So a lot of attention has been paid to the camera. No samples here since I was told the phone was on non-final firmware. Anyway, I'll have more for you guys once I manage to get my hands on a review unit. Now the Zenfone 6 isn't just about the cameras though. Internally, it happens to be powered by the Snapdragon 855 chip. The base variant is 664, and unlike the OnePlus competition, Asus still supports microSD, and it's not just microSD. It is a triple slot, so you get 2 SIMs plus microSD. The headphone jack is also retained, and the killer feature here is the fact that the Zenfone 6 sports a 5000 mAh battery. Now that's just insane. That's gotta be the highest capacity battery I've seen on a flagship in a while. I'm quite intrigued to see how this one works out. Asus is also supposed to be including an 18-watt charger in the box. On the software side of things, we've got a pretty stockish Zen UI built on top of Android 9 Pie. This is also part of the Android Q beta program. There is very little bloat here, with only the bare basic necessities that includes the FM radio and so on. The Zenfone 6, thanks to the strong hardware underneath, felt really fast. This happens to be a 6.4-inch LCD panel by the way, and it looks great. No notches of any kind thanks to that flipped camera. It is all screen all the way. The color reproduction's great. The media experience should be excellent. Talking about which, there is support for stereo speakers, and man were they loud. Even in an outdoor environment, I was seriously impressed with how loud they were. Another thing worth mentioning is this smart key that Asus is providing. It's customizable and you can set what it does on a single press, double press and long press. Like here I had single press set to launch the camera, double press to launch Google Assistant, and long press to take a screenshot. It seems to be quite nifty, kinda Asus has answered OnePlus's alert slider. Now given the LCD display, the fingerprint scanner is to the back, but it was quite fast. There is face unlock, but it works only with a swipe up. That's because of the flip camera. That said, it was quite quick too. Now with that, let's talk pricing. As of this time, I don't have any official pricing for you, but I am guessing Asus should price this lower than the OnePlus 7. Not the 7 Pro, but the regular OnePlus 7. So I'm expecting it to be priced around the 35 to 38,000 rupee mark. So this price, do you think the Zenfone 6 would be something you'd be interested in? What do you think would be a fair price? Let me know in the comments below. And with that, we get to the end of this little hands-on video. I'm kind of super impressed with what Asus have done with the Zenfone 6. Like, I really can't wait to get my hands on a review unit and put this phone through more testing and kind of see how everything's been optimized and how it actually performs. So anyway, I will bring you more coverage on it. For now, thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about this video. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And here are a couple more videos for you to check out, and also a link to our other channel, FTJ. Give it a chance, maybe you'd end up liking it. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.